If your heat and AC are constantly running throughout the day, your problem might just be your windows. That's because your old windows can account for up to 40% of the heat loss in your Albany home. If you are tired of high energy bills and windows that won't open or close, we have your answer. Our high-efficiency replacement windows are manufactured right here in Indiana and are installed by the best crews in the business. In no time at all, you could be enjoying the comfort and quiet of your new replacement windows, backed with a lifetime warranty. And what a warranty it is. Pop frame? Covered. Cut screen? Covered. Even if you break the glass, we've got you covered. Now, imagine triple pane performance for a double pane price. Well, with Clemens Home Solutions, you don't have to imagine it because that's our standard offer. That's right, some of the best windows you can buy installed by the most detail-obsessed, quality-focused people you could ever hope to meet. Guaranteed forever, and all at a fair price. If this sounds good to you, contact us at Clemens Home Solutions at 765-741-8214 for a free estimate.